Welcome. In front of me I have CAVION Base 5.0 and I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto updates. You have to go for the Play Store. Next you have to tap on the right upper corner. Scroll down, go for the settings. Click on General. Find Auto Update Apps and switch to Do Not Auto Updates. Then click Done. And as you can see, that's how we can make it. So it was very simple, right? If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.